Hi, this is the third experiment of database in which we have to use aggregate functions in Oracle Database SQL. Uh, for the first query, we can see it is written as select average of order quantity uh, and ordered ID from the table order quantity group by order ID. The output is displayed here, and only 8 rows are displayed. And for the second query, we have changed the order ID to product ID, and we can see in the table the product ID is displayed. And for the next query, we have to display the order date according to the condition given here. The output is 10th October of 2014. And for the next query, actually I forgot to input any data into the table supplier, so I have repeated previous experiment here, and we have updated the table, um, and the query is executed here. Select S name from supplier group by S name having average rating which is greater than 2. We can see the output is given as three name, triple E, triple D, and triple C. And for the next query, we can see select order ID from order quantity group by order ID having sum of order quantity which is greater than 10. The output is displayed here as 102, 101, 105, 103, and 106. And for the next query, we are displaying as S name from the table supplier group by S name having average rating which is smaller than 4. We can see the names here. And for the next query, we see we have to display the uh, order date from orders O1 and order quantity OQ, where OQ dot order quantity which is greater than 15 and O1 dot ordered ID is equal to OQ dot order ID. And we can see the order date, it is displayed here as 1st October 2014, 1st October 2014, and 10th October 2014. And for the next query, we see a select a distinct product ID from order quantity, where order quantity is less than 20, and we can see the product ID is displayed here. For the next query, we are displaying the order date, count, and order ID, in which we have to count from orders, from the table orders which is grouped by order date. And see the according to the date, it is here displayed. This is the output. And for the next query, we are saying select distinct O1 dot order, and it goes like that the whole query. And the output is displayed here, the order ID, sum, and OQ dot order quantity, sorry, the sum of the OQ dot order quantity which is here. And for the next query, we have to select everything from the table orders which should be ordered by date. The output is displayed here: order ID, order date, and customer ID. And for the next query, we have to display product ID, order quantity, which should be sum, and from table order quantity group by given conditions. And the output is displayed in the table here. And for the next query, we have to select distinct customer name from customer whose case is uppercase, and we can see the output and the names are in uppercase. For the next query, we have to update the customer, we have to update the table customer with setting the code um, postal code as LPAD, postal code postal code comma 7 comma 0, and the 4 rows were updated. We are not displaying the output here. And for the next query, we can see we have to display a distinct we have to select as distinct substring from Richard Newman, comma 9, comma 14 from the customer. And we can see the output is given as Newman. And see, I can tell you this: the starting of ninth character is this one, and the 14th character is this one, and only this part is displayed. So the syntax should be this. This is the starting index of the letter, and this is the ending index of the letter. And for the last query, we have to select customer name from the table customer, where customer name should be ending with E. And we can see the two output are given below: John Doe and Joe. And finally, we are checking through the spool command, to which the file is saved and the spool is switched off. Thank you.